You ever roll into a Ram service lane for a simple oil change and leave with a quote that makes you sit down on the curb? I'm talking about the "since you're here" speech. It starts friendly, it ends with a 4-digit total, and right in the middle is a line item that sounds responsible and urgent and absolutely guaranteed to protect your Hemi. That's the trap. On paper, it looks like care. In your wallet, it's a $1,900 package you didn't need. At least, not like that. Not today, and not at those prices. Here's what's really going on. A lot of dealerships bundle routine Hemi maintenance into a major service at 60,000 to 100,000 miles. They give it a tidy name, print it in a box, and sell it as one decision: yes or nope. Inside that box are a few must-do items, a few nice-to-do items, and a few pure profit items. The psychology is simple. Once you accept that big service is due, you're unlikely to argue line by line. And that's how a Hemi, awesome engine, totally serviceable at home, turns into a $1,900 surprise. Let's open the box. This is a real-world style breakdown you can compare against your quote. Numbers vary by market, but the pattern doesn't. Spark plugs. The 5.7 Hemi runs 16 plugs, 2 per cylinder. OEM copper or iridium replacements often street at $6 to $12 each. Call it $160 in parts if you pick reasonable plugs. Labor? A careful tech needs 2.5 to 3.5 hours. At a common shop rate of $160 per hour, that's $400 to $560. Total, the honest plug service should land $560 to $720. The trap is when your line shows $950 to $1,150 because they layered on coil boot kits, shop supplies, and a mystery performance ignition clean. Boots aren't wear items every interval. If they're cracked, sure. If not, that's padding. Throttle body and induction cleaning. This is the classic add-on. The Hemi's throttle body takes 10 minutes to remove and clean properly. A can of cleaner is $8. Dealers sell an $150 to $250 service. That often means spray and pray through the intake while the engine idles. On top of that, they'll pitch a fuel injection service for $180 to $260. If you had misfires or real deposits, targeted cleaning can help. As a routine bundle ad, it's theater. Differentials and transfer case fluids. Important but not every visit. If you tow heavy or run oversized tires, you should service diffs around $30,000 to $50,000. Otherwise, $60,000 to $70,000 is sensible. Parts are $60 to $120 per axle depending on fluid spec. Transfer case fluid is similar. Labor per unit is 0.5 to 0.8 hours. A fair total to do both diffs and the transfer case is $300 to $450. The trap is a blanket $600 to $800 because truck and 4x4 sound expensive. Brake fluid exchange, useful every 2 to 3 years in humid areas. Parts $10 to $20, labor 0.5 to 0.8 hours. Fair price $120 to $160. Upsell versions show $250 plus with a fancy machine and a laminated chart. Air filters and cabin filters. DIY in 5 minutes. Parts $15 to $40. Dealer line items $60 to $120 each is common. Stack 2 and you just bought lunch for the shop. Inspection packages and shop supplies. The vague line that adds $40 to $90 without telling you anything. If a safety inspection is real, it should list what they actually inspected and what they found. Otherwise, you're buying a checkbox. Add those numbers the honest way, and your 60,000 Hemi service, plugs, diffs/transfer case if due, brake fluid if due, filters, should total $800 to $1,100 in most markets. Add the fluff, and that's how your estimate becomes $1,700 to $1,950. Congratulations, you just met the $1,900 Hemi trap. Now let's make this tactical so you never step in it again. Here's the exact conversation to have at the counter. Ask for a line item estimate, not a package price. Packages hide the padding. Line items force clarity. Circle the essentials. Spark plugs, 16. Yes, if you're at interval. Confirm plug type and labor hours. You want 2.5 to 3.5 hours on the RO, not 5. Diff transfer case fluids. Yes, if you tow, big tire, or haven't done them in $50,000 to $70,000. Ask for the spec they're using. Brake fluid. Yes, if over 2 to 3 years since last change. Everything else, case by case. Decline or defer these unless there's a symptom. Throttle body/induction clean. DIY or skip unless you have idle issues. Fuel injection service, skip routine upsell. Consider only with documented drivability problems. Coil boots, inspect before replacing all. Air cabin filters, DIY, save $80 to $150 in 2 clicks. Shop supplies, challenge anything above $20 to $30 or ask them to itemize. If they push back, ask one question. What failure are we preventing today? And how would I know I needed this if I weren't here? If the answer is routine plus a shrug, you found margin, not maintenance. There's a second HEMI-specific angle dealers use to scare you into bundles. The HEMI tick. 3 different sounds get thrown into one bucket. There's normal injector tick, harmless, exhaust manifold leak tick from broken studs, fixable without opening the engine, and the rare but real MDS lifter/cam issue that becomes an expensive cam/lifter job. The trap is when the service advisor waves the word tick around like a check engine light and herds you toward preventive $1,900 services that won't prevent a lifter failure if it's truly happening. Here's how you defend yourself. Ask for a cold start listen with a tech. If the noise fades in a minute and the misfire counters are clean, it's likely injector tick or minor manifold leak, not an impending cam failure. A manifold leak often leaves sooty tracks at the flange and a distinct chirp under load. Fixing manifold studs and gaskets is a few $100s, not $4 grand. A real cam/lifter issue usually brings codes, persistent misfire, and performance changes you can feel. Don't let a vague tick sell you a forest of unrelated services. Let's talk numbers you can take to the bank. If you insist on dealer service and you hold the line on fluff, expect 16 plug service, parts plus 3.0 hour labor, $600 to $750. Front and rear diff plus transfer case, $300 to $450 combined. Brake fluid, $120 to $160. Air plus cabin filters, DIY, $30 to $60 total. Your out the door should be $1,050 to $1,350, not $1,900. That's $550 to $850 saved with a pen and a straight face. Prefer to do it yourself? Here's the weekend plan that cuts the bill by half without pain. Buy 16 OEM spec plugs and a dab of anti-seize if the spec allows. Many don't. Follow the plug maker. Swap methodically, 1 coil at a time, torque correctly. Drain and fill diffs/transfer with the correct spec fluids and new crush washers. Torque the plugs, clean the magnet. Brake fluid flush with a buddy or a pressure bleeder, 20 minutes. Clean the throttle body properly off the truck if you have symptoms. Don't blast a can downstream. 2 afternoons and you've erased the dealer premium. Now, not every service department is out to loot you. The hardworking techs don't make the menu, they just get graded on hours and comebacks. Good advisors will happily print line items and cut the fluff when you're calm and specific. But the system nudges them to sell packages, and that's where owners get burned. You don't need to be combative, you need to be precise. Here's a pocket checklist to screenshot before your next visit. Ask for line item rupees, approve plugs, diffs/transfer, brake fluid if due by time/miles, decline induction/fuel services unless symptom-driven, DIY air/cabin filters, cap shop supplies and miss at a small number or ask to remove. If they say tick, ask for cold start diag with you present. Identify injector versus manifold versus lifter. If a manifold leak, quote studs, gaskets first. If real lifter or cam symptoms, get a second estimate. This is one job where experience matters. One more way the trap springs is timing. Many owners show up right before a trip. That's peak vulnerability. You want peace of mind, they have a menu, and you say yes to make the worry disappear. Flip the script. Do your planned services a month before you need them. That window gives you time to compare quotes or DIY, and it kills the "we should just knock out the package today" pressure. The HEMI is not high maintenance, it's high visibility. 16 plugs make for good stories. Big trucks make for big-sounding invoices. But if you separate must-do from nice-to-do and nice-to-do from nonsense, the math gets boring in a good way. You keep the engine happy, your diffs cool, your brakes crisp, and your cash in your account. So should you ever say yes to a $1,900 line? Sometimes, but only if you built it yourself. If your diff fluids are ancient, your brake fluid looks like tea, your plugs are overdue, and you want the job done today by one shop with a loaner car, you can justify the number. The key is that you chose each item and you know what problem it solves. That's not a trap, that's a plan. Everybody else? Demand line items, approve what's due, decline fluff, fix real problems, not feelings. And the next time someone waves a laminated major HEMI service menu at you like a magic shield, smile and say, "Great, break it out by operation and labor hours." You'll watch $1,900 melt into $1,100 in real time. Don't get burned by packaging. Maintain the HEMI you actually own, not the revenue target on someone's whiteboard. That's how you keep the rumble you love and skip the invoice you hate.